ISLIC standard number 2, again I'm going to read that to you as well. A school administrator is an educational leader who promotes the success of all students by advocating, nurturing, and sustaining a school culture, an instructional program conducive to student learning and professional growth. Now let's go back in and kind of dissect that and see what it means. And what we're talking about here is school culture. Some people will refer to it as climate, but culture and climate are two different things. Culture is very large and encompassing. Climate is a small portion of culture. But let's talk about that. The first thing you have to do as an administrator is you have to either assess the culture that you're in by an instrument or conversations, empirical data, whatever you need to do. But you need to assess that. If you're already in the system, it's kind of good to kind of get a checkpoint each year to see if it's shifting, it's changing. The worst thing that happens to superintendents and principals is you're kind of like that frog in boiling water. You just kind of feel, because you did one assessment and everything's great and everything feels good, that it's going to continue like that without a whole lot of effort, and that's where we fail. Keeping a lively and good school culture is a lot of work. And it's something you don't negate. You can't just put it away and assume that it's all going to fall into place. It requires effort every single year. And I often suggest to administrators that you do a climate survey of your staff and your students annually.